Good morning. I've got to give you a bit of a recap. It's been like 20 hours since I last did anything. I've met 3 great people, Alex, Alice and Theo. Remember their names this time. And completely spur of the moment, I've got a bus to Pokhara and I'm going to try and hike up Poon Hill. Meant to have massive views of the Himalayas and stuff like that, but you all watching know me, I'm not very prepared. I bought some sticks, I bought some stuff, but this man here, he's going to keep me safe, hopefully. I've got to buy a head torch, I think, but it's pretty hardcore. I'm not messing about. Let's go. So we just got off the bus, filling in the permits at the moment to do the trek. So we'll fill these out, get the permit, pay for that, and then crack on. She's doing the permit for the trek. What did you just say?
Nothing.
She just said it's very dangerous and I might die. It's very dangerous.
It depends you.
It depends on me.
Yeah, depend you, you know.
So I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
So we're out in the taxi, all 4 of us. Hello. on the way to I've not introduced you all. What's your name?
Theo.
Alice.
Alessio.
Narayan. He's not coming with us, but he's a taxi driver. So we're halfway there. Well, I assume we're halfway there. He's having a pee break, so we're pretty high up. These 3 seem like experts to me, and I'm sort of they're sort of carrying me a little bit, I feel, and they literally might carry me back down. But I'll catch up with you when we reach where we've got to go. And that's it. We're off the taxi. We've got about a 30 minute walk now, but we're losing the light, so we're sort of rushing a bit because we don't want to get lost on our first night. But we've got to walk to Burapani now, and then I'll catch you then. We've made it. We've got our little 4, I nearly said 4-man. 3-man, 1 woman dorm room for 80p a night, I think it's costing. So it's wicked. We're going to grab some food now, and I'm really tired. I don't think these guys are. They're hardcore. But yeah, I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow.